guys, it's like Master here with Naruto. Naruto and Naruto with Thunder. Look at him. He's so ugly. No, not you. Hey, welcome to another video. And you know what we're doing?
Cats. The cat's now big.
Nope. Well, now we are gonna be doing another video. I'll show you why. This is why we like to party. Let's party, bro. We like to party. Hey, yeah. We like to dance. And go, you guys. We like to go. Look at this. Look at this record, son. Look at this damn this breath.
What's in there? Another chicken.
Wow. Hey. It's so windy. That's why the windows. Look at the clouds too. That's why this was video. Look at the clouds and look at the wind. It's so windy, right, guys? Hey, Mr. Naruto, help me. Help me close. It's so loud. You are now stuck there forever. Whoa. We're gonna get screwed. Oh, whoa. Bye-bye. Doing what the world gets you the best. We like to party. Hey, yeah. We like to party. Hey. We like to party. Way, yeah. Out. Okay, guys. That's for the video. I see you guys next time with Naruto and
We speak in Tagalog, dude. But